Welcome everyone to the Best Options YouTube channel. In today's video, we are looking at the top 5 best steam mops that you can buy this year. First, we will be looking at some of the best affordable steam mops that are available, then to the absolute top best one money you can buy. As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video, right in the description and in the pinned comment down below. Without any more delay, let's get started. In number 5, we recommend you the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop, Floor Steamer. The Bissell PowerFresh is an impressive steam mop. It performs well and won't put a big dent in your wallet. With all its features and grime-busting power, it's a real heavy hitter. From quick heat-up time to a removable tank and adjustable steam levels, it's versatile enough for any sealed hard floor you throw at it. There are a few drawbacks, however, mostly with quality control issues. It does have a 2-year limited warranty that can help if you experience any problems. The PowerFresh mop head is about 8 inches front to back and 13 inches wide. Just flip down the gray piece on the mop head when you come across stubborn, stuck-on messes. The Spring Breeze fragrance discs, for when you want a little more freshening. These optional discs slide into a mesh pocket inside the mop pad. You don't need to use them if you're sensitive to fragrances. With Smart Set digital steam control, you get 3 settings for the steam level you need: low, medium, or high.
Your Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is packed with a variety of special features. First, it has a built-in Smart Set steam control, which gives you the option to choose among low, medium, or high steam. The Smart Set steam control indicator light will stop blinking when your PowerFresh Steam Mop is ready to use. Then you can press the steam level button to choose the level of steam you want. Second, your steam mop comes with a removable water tank. The water tank is located on top of the unit and can be refilled with water anytime during use. It is important to make sure you do not use chemicals in the water tank of your steam mop. The use of other solutions may cause breakdown of the gasket and/or other parts of the machine. Third, it comes with 2 different types of pads. The white microfiber pad is best for everyday use on delicate flooring like sealed hardwoods and laminate. The gray and white stripe pad can be used for scrubbing heavily soiled floors and cleaning tougher messes. The microfiber pads are also machine washable and safe for virtually all hard floor surfaces. Some units may come with fragrance discs that you can place in the mesh pocket in your mop pad. You can use the whole disc for a refreshing scent or cut in half for a lighter scent. And finally, the removable Easy Scrubber helps you quickly clean sticky messes by pressing your foot on the tool to lock it into position. It is also great for cleaning grout on tile.
In the 4 number of our best steam mops list, we recommend you the Bissell PowerFresh LiftOff Pet Steam Mop. This is a 2-in-1 steam mop because of a lift-off canister that separates from the base and comes with a selection of attachments that can be used to clean all kinds of yucky things like toilets, showers, bathtubs, grout, stovetops, microwaves, and even baseboards. This is not a vacuum nor does it clean upholstery. It is meant for cleaning hard surfaces. This mop is very lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's available only in one very bright color combination, white and samba orange. It comes with the mop, 1 microfiber soft pad, 1 microfiber scrubby pad, odor eliminating fragrance discs, attachable water cup, 13 tools, a tool bag, and a microfiber towel. Interestingly, the manual for the Bissell PowerFresh Series 1544 steam mop says that the water tank capacity is 13 ounces, but the Bissell website says it holds 13.5 ounces. To make matters more confusing, the provided water cup you receive for use in filling the water tank has a fill line marked to 15 ounces.
It is important to remember that you will not always see a lot of steam coming out of your unit, as the steam is directed toward the floor. If you have no steam, make sure your unit is turned on and plugged into a working outlet. Next, make sure there is water in the tank. Make sure you are using only water, as other solutions can damage the unit. Check your water tank for damage. Make sure to have water in the tank so you can see any leaks. Check the water tank cap for damage. Make sure the rubber gasket at the tip is attached. Check to see if the foot of your unit is connected properly. Remove the foot and reconnect it. The foot of the unit should lock into place with no gaps. Check that your steam ready light is on. Remember that it may take up to a minute to heat up. The light should change from a blinking light to a solid light. Once the light is solid, Press the on-off button and select your appropriate steam level. A light knocking noise is normal while water flows through the pump. This may take up to a minute. Your unit should then start steaming.
In number 3, we recommend the Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket S5000 3D Steam Mop. The Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is a next-gen model with some impressive features that minimize your contact with wet, dirty cleaning pads. You'll get 3 easy-to-assemble pieces, a quick start guide, a user manual, 2 washable dirt grip pads, and a water-filling reservoir. This is pretty standard for all Shark steam mops. Replacement and extra cleaning pads are readily available online. The mop head opens with the push of a button, which releases the dirty pad without you having to touch it, until you have to put it in the washer. This saves you from potentially burning your hands with steamy water, not to mention all the icky grime. A powerful jet of steam can be directed right on dried or sticky stains to quickly break down the dirt. A step up from your humble microfiber pads, these are designed to grab and hold onto dirt. Plus they're double-sided. It has an intelligent steam control, with 3 settings so you can customize the level of steam needed for each cleaning job. The onboard water tank holds 350 milliliters, 11.8 ounces, of water. It should clean approximately 1,000 plus square foot of the floor on one fill on the lightest steam setting. Heavier dirt or larger areas will require 1 or more refills.
Concentrated steam cleans your floors and helps take care of tough spots, dried up messes, and stuck-on stains. All without chemicals. That makes mopping easy, fast, and less of a chore. Say goodbye to long drying times. The Genius Mop Head's advanced maneuverability gives you incredible under and around furniture reach. And the Steam Blaster technology tackles stuck-on stains and messes with a simple flip of the mop head. Steam is the perfect way to clean your sealed hard floors.
In number 2, we have for you the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner Machine, Wet-Dry Vacuum. The Hoover FloorMate Deluxe is relatively lightweight, with its 13.8 pounds. It measures 13 by 12 by 44 inches. The FloorMate handle has been designed in a way that folds down to give room for easy storage. The machine can therefore be tucked away in a corner or some cupboard drawer where most of the home appliances do not always fit. On the vacuum handle, the appliance has a trigger, which is meant to release more of the cleaning solution when you want to focus the cleaning service on a tough stain. This makes the appliance versatile because at some point you require more cleaning power than the ordinary cleaning mechanisms would offer. There are a few features that contribute to the good usability provided by this product. This appliance is fitted with a 20-foot power cord which gives room for maneuverability. Besides its lightweight, it covers 11.5 inches cleaning path width, which means that you clean a large area with every pass. The tanks can be easily filled emptied.
Whoever's cleaning your hard floors, do they just simply push the dirty water around? That's why I use the amazing new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. It washes and dries, all at the turn of a dial. Its twin tanks keep dirty water separate from clean water, while its spin scrub brushes safely scrub my floors, including the grout, leaving them deep down clean. And there's even a separate brush for gently cleaning my delicate wood floors, leaving dirt no place to hide. It also dries incredibly fast. Just look how much the FloorMate Deluxe has picked up. The new Hoover FloorMate Deluxe, the perfect cleaner for my hard floors.
In number 1 of our list, we recommend you the absolute one of the best steam mop, the Bissell SpinWave powered hardwood floor mop and cleaner. The SpinWave comes with 2 scrubby pads and 2 soft touch pads. It also comes with 2 8-ounces bottles of multi-surface formula cleaning solution. The entire mop head area is about 14 inches across. In the middle, it's a few inches tall, so the whole mop head may not fit under very low clearance furniture. The pads stick out about an inch on either side, so it's fairly easy to clean right up against cabinets, sinks, etc. The power spin pads work in pairs and spin together in opposite directions. This eliminates the need to run the mop in all different directions to scrub away stubborn stains. The spray trigger on the handle lets you control how much solution gets onto the floor. Use as much or as little as you like. The cleaning pads are machine washable and dryable. You just pop them in the washing machine or top rack of the dishwasher to clean them. Don't use fabric softener or dryer sheets. The tank holds up to 28 ounces of Bissell cleaning solution. First, you add water to the water fill line, then add your cleaning solution. On the tank, you'll see fill lines for both small and large areas, so this can help you not waste solution.